Chapter 12 Network Configuration and Web Publishing. The network of Kinsgada is a kind of flexible structure based on distributed processing. Flexible network structure can adapt to different kinds of network environment, from simple stand-alone to network mode with hundreds of nodes. Stand-alone mode has no network functions. All the services and sites run on the same node. However, distributed network structure can distribute the entire application program to several services, to several servers. Grunt tasks on remote site and uses tasks on local site. Thus, the integral capacity integral capacity of the project is enhanced and the performance of the system is improved. The network structure of Kinsgada is based on client-server mode and runs on the network based on the TCP/IP network protocol, so that users can realize the networking between upper computer and lower computer or computers of higher level. TCP/IP protocol enables computers with different hardware architectures and operating systems to communicate with other computers on the same network. The TCP/IP protocol enables a computer to communicate with several remote computers, and the concept of engineering station is introduced into Kinsgada. Users can accomplish the configuration of the entire network on engineering station and then deploy it to each operator station and each server. Kinsgada distributes servers to applications according to different structures or functions of physical devices. Users can set up specialized servers such as real-time data server, historical data server, alarm data server, logon server, and time server according to system requirements. A workstation site can serve as various kinds of servers. For example, real-time data server can be assigned as alarm data server, historical data server, logon data server, and other servers simultaneously. Alarm data server can be assigned as historical data server, logon server, and other servers simultaneously. Real data server. Real data server is in charge of collecting data and generating alarm and history data. Once a station is defined as real data server, the station will be in charge of collecting data from local computer, generating alarm and historical data. If a station has been connected with devices but is not defined as real data server, the data from the station will be connected as usual, but the data will not be published to the network. You can set one real data server or several real data servers according to your need. Alarm server. Alarm server provides clients with alarm data publishing, querying, and saving services. Once a station is defined as an alarm server of one or several real data servers, alarm information can be generated on the real data servers, is transmitted to specified alarm server via the network, and is shipped for clients to inquire. while the system is in runtime. The configuration of alarm groups on alarm server should be the connection of alarm groups on alarm server, and alarm groups on real data servers are related with the alarm server. Historical logging server. A station provides clients with historical data query and saving services. Once a station is defined as a historical logging server of one or several real data servers, historical data that is generated on real data server is transmitted to the station of historical logging server via the network, and is saved for clients to inquire where the system is in runtime. Web server. Web server provides web clients with file service and browsing service. Login server. Login server is in charge of managing and validating network users and security information. Login server is unique in the entire network. It has a user list that is unique in the network, and user list on other stations will not take effect anymore in the entire network that is operating normally. Therefore, users should set up the complete user list on login server. When a user logs on a station that is in the network, the system will check the user list, and the login information is transmitted to the login server. After validating, the login event is generated. Then the login event is transmitted to the alarm server of the login server. The event is saved and displayed. Thus, the security of the entire system is ensured. For a system network, users only need to define one login server. Timing server. Timing server adjusts time for all sites on the network, and each station asks for time correction regularly to keep the clocks in sync with the server. It is recommended that users should define only one timing server in the network. Client. The client we are referring to is not the web client. The main function of the client is to acquire data from server, display and calculate the date. At the same time, the client can also modify the data on the server. A station can be assigned as a server, and it can also be assigned as a client of other servers. Web client. Web client mainly refers to the IE browser. It can exchange data with web server, and the web server will communicate with other stations in the line.